Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, it's my pleasure to present the Asia Pacific Quality Network at this academic international conference. As far as I know, the Macau Polytechnic University has held this conference annually for 14 years. And for several years, APQN and the Macau Polytechnic University have been working very closely at the conference. Thanks to the university, the international conference has become useful, productive, and attractive for quite a number of stakeholders. Higher education institutions, quality assurance agencies, and national authorities. I'd like to present today the results of our research. Aggregated ranking as a tool for evaluation of the quality and positioning of Asia-Pacific universities at the global level. First of all, I'd like to say a few words about APQN initiatives. There are 53 countries and territories in the Asia-Pacific region. The total population is over 4.3 billion, including over 47 million students enrolled in 6,000 higher education institutions. It means we have vast diversity, a lot of challenges, but at the same time, unlimited opportunities for the development and enhancement of the higher education system for the benefit of the region. The Asia-Pacific Quality Network was founded in 2003 with support by the International Network for Quality Assurance Agencies in Higher Education, in INCOAHE, and financial support from the World Bank. It has been playing a crucial role in the region in establishing the quality assurance system. APQN is one of the biggest networks in higher education. It includes now 284 members from 45 countries and territories. The main APQN goals are easy access to high-quality, objective, and up-to-date information about higher education in the Asia-Pacific region, strengthening cooperation and information exchange between quality assurance agencies and higher education institutions. Two very important projects were launched by APQN several years ago. APQR, it's Asia-Pacific Quality Register, a register of quality assurance agencies that have undergone international evaluation, I mean self-assessment process, site visit, and decision-making. APQL, it's a quality label for higher education institutions that have undergone similar international evaluation. And now I'd like to share with you the outcomes of another initiative related to the creation of the aggregated ranking. As an introduction, I would say that the construction of different assessment systems in ranking and accreditation format has currently become a relatively new trend in globalization and internationalization of higher education. The construction of global rankings of higher education institutions is just one example. The number of global rankings is increasing from year to year. According to the IRAC Observatory on Academic Ranking and Excellence, there are currently more than 100 academic rankings in the world. International, national, regional, which one is better? And which one can be trusted? Another example is the implementation of national and international accreditation in accordance with international standards. Definitely, ranking and accreditation have different approaches, assessment methods, and criteria. However, we have to admit that these are two ways to achieve the same goal: to improve the quality of education. The main purpose of our research is to collect international practice of quality assessment and aggregate the results of various assessment procedures into one ranking as a quality assessment tool. We used the direct listing which contains 30 global academic university rankings and 2 databases of accreditation decisions. We fully agree with the Berlin principles, according to which, when correctly understood and interpreted, rankings contribute to the definition of quality of higher education institutions, complementing the rigorous work conducted by public and independent accrediting agencies. The European Database of External Quality Assurance Results, the CAR, is one of the biggest databases for research of accredited universities and their programs. Now it contains information on over 3,300 universities from 92 countries. 45 of them are part of the European higher education area and 39 are Asia-Pacific countries. Thus, we can say that this is not only a European, but also a global database. In our study, we obtained results involving 3,522 universities from 125 countries. 4 simple principles were proposed for the selection of evaluation systems in the creation of a global aggregated quality assessment tool. Stability. The evaluation system has been operating for at least 3 years. Publicity. It is publicly available and transparent. Frequency. Annual publication of results. Mass character. Assessment for at least 1,000 objects. The evaluation results of various systems are converted into ranking tables. The position of the university in various ranking systems is described in terms of vector assessment. The mathematical apparatus of the theory of voting in small groups was also used. I mean the convolution of the board. In addition, a new approach to the formation of the top list of the universities was proposed. The concept of top 100 of the best universities is usually used in rankings, but this is a very small sample. Webometrics provides us with information that there are approximately 25,000 universities in the world. In our opinion, the choice of 1% of universities as the top 1 is much more correct. These are just 250 of the best universities in the world. The top 2% includes 500 universities, and these are the best universities in the world out of 25,000 and so on. Even if the university gets into the top 15%, this is also a great achievement. The leaders of the countries with the best universities included in the global aggregated ranking are China, the United States, India, Japan, and Russia. In the United States, there are 72 universities among the top 1%, and this is the best result. In China, 23 universities are in the top 1%. Italy had the largest percentage of universities included in the global aggregated ranking. And it was a surprise for us. Turkey bypassed Spain this year. If we take only the Asia-Pacific region, China, India, Japan, Russia, and Turkey will be among the top 5 countries with the best universities in this region. China is the absolute leader. But for example, Singapore had the largest percentage for a country. 6 universities out of 9 are included in the global aggregated ranking. And finally, Asia had the largest number of universities from among those located of different continents and listed in the global aggregated rankings. It's followed by Europe and North America. To summarize, I would like to draw a few conclusions. The generalized results of several different assessment systems, I mean rankings and accreditation, which complement each other, can significantly increase the credibility of the quality assessment of each university. This study may be of interest to national education authorities and national governments responsible for strategic planning for the development of national higher education. The formation of aggregated independent assessment of quality of education can provide a comprehensive objective assessment tool for the general public. Another specific suggestion of our study is to consider the possibility of creating a database of accredited programs in the Asia-Pacific region similar to the European database of external quality assurance results. Dear colleagues, many thanks for your attention. Your questions are welcome by email. And so I wish you new ideas, new projects, and close cooperation. And I hope this Academic International Conference will be useful for all of you. Thank you again.